Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing assets and permissions. First, check the widget platform and enable file access. Once done, collect 4.8 images, optimized to 200 KB or less, and place them in a dedicated folder with clear names like img01. PNG. Next, open your project and add read permissions for storage or assets. Make sure to configure the widget manifest or plist so the system can load external resources. This initial setup prevents load errors and speeds later testing. You implement the cycling logic by creating a current index integer and determining total images from the folder. Then, write an asynchronous loader to fetch and decode each image, caching decoded bitmaps to avoid repeated work. Once a loader completes, update the widget view on the main thread. Use a tap handler or a periodic timer to increment current index, wrap with modulo arithmetic for looping, and call the update routine. This approach keeps UI responsive and minimizes CPU and battery impact. You finalize by scheduling regular updates and handling device sleep. Choose the minimal acceptable interval imposed by the OS to avoid throttling. Next, test on multiple screen sizes and set image content mode to fill or fit so visuals remain crisp. Finally, implement cache invalidation when images change and gracefully handle missing files. If your widget shows a blank image, check file paths, permissions, and clear cache. Often a stale cache or wrong file name is the culprit. Fix that, then redeploy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.